Yes, I think I can share you the link now. I think you can join now. Right. Yeah, I will continue the class. So what I discussed in the previous session, I will continue the session now. I can continue the session. So the definite integral. So what I discussed the morning previous problems, I am going to continue that. Right. See the next problem. Few problems I will discuss. Then I will come back to the important shortcuts. We will discuss about that. Right. Next one. If f of x and g of x are two continuous functions, if f of x and g of x, if f of x and g of x are two continuous functions, they give these two are two continuous functions. They are given these two are continuous functions for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to R, then integral minus a to a, integral minus a to a, g of x minus g of minus x by g of x, g of minus, this is g of x minus g of minus x, g of minus x by f of x plus f of minus x, f of x plus f of minus x dx. They are asking what about this one? What about this value? They are asking how to simplify this value. Check that. So what about this value? What about the answer? 0, 2, 4. Then get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 your answers. Or 0, 1, 2, 3. Like this. See, whenever minus c, verify whether the function is even or odd. Verify if the function is even or odd. Then you can decide your answer. See, replace x with minus x, g of minus x, minus g of minus x, x, it will come f of minus x plus f of x. That means when I replace x with minus x, I have taken minus common. This will be g of x minus g of minus x by denominator is same, f of x plus f of minus x. That means the given function is odd. Correct, like this they are given. So this function is odd. The given function is odd function, right? Function is odd function. When the function is odd, the answer is 0, right? This is odd function. Since it is odd function, so you can write the result is 0. That's all is equal to 0. Correct? 0. Since the given function is odd function, it will be 0, right? Just to verify that it is 0, even or odd verified function is odd function, then I got this answer is 0. Next one. See the next problem. When I am taking the next problem, integral 0 to 2a, integral 0 to 2a, f of x, they can do 0 to 2a, f of x by f of x plus f of 2a minus x, f of 2a minus x dx. This is 2a, f of 2a minus x dx. This is a problem, f of 2a minus x dx. What about this answer they are asking, f of 2a minus x dx? When they are given this. See in this problem here, when I have taken this one, f of 2a minus x dx. Again the answer they are given, the options are a by 2 and 2a and 0. They are given like this. Now you check this formula here. This is given. So this is problem easy, simple problem, this one. Let it be, this is I. You can consider this is I is equal to, replace x with a minus x, that means x with 2a minus x, 0 to 2a, f of 2a minus x by, the answer you can tell directly. This is f of 2a minus x, replace f of, in the place of x 2a minus x, this will be f of x. So this is 1, this is 2. Then you can tell answer immediately. The people who can understand that answer, you can tell immediately the answer. The simple problem, easily you can tell the answer now. The simple way you can tell the answer now. You can easily tell the answer now. See that the answer will be, when I have written like this, that will be easy, right, to tell the answer. Add 1 and 2, because both are I. These also I. So you can add 1 plus 2. If you add 1 plus 2, it will become 2i is equal to, both have same denominator. Numerator I can add 2a equal to 0 to 2a. I can write f of x plus f of 2a minus x, correct? 2a minus x by f of 2a minus x plus f of x dx. Now you can see this one, I can eliminate this one, right? These two are same. It will get 2i equal to integral 0 to 2a, correct? It will come now, I can write 0 to 2a 1 dx, 0 to 1 dx. This will be x. Limit 0 to 2a, it will come 2a minus 0. So 2y is equal to 2a. Your answer is coming, I is equal to a. You got I is equal to a, right? The answer will be I is equal to a. Correct. Yeah, answer is I is equal to a. So whenever like this, half of this 2a, you will get your answer. Half of 2a. So this type of problems always remove half of 2a. So you can go through that. When the problem is like this, 0 to 2a, f of x by f of x 2a minus x. When the problem is this model, always remember. When the problem is this model, you can remember here. When the problem is this model, so in this model, always the answer will be half of the upper limit. To the upper limit will comes. Otherwise here also, suppose a to b something is there, then you can expect here a plus b minus x. There also you will get a plus, you can there here, you will get a plus b by 2 it comes. Sum of those two. Integral a to b is there in the place of the a plus b minus x. In that case your answer will be a plus b by 2 it comes whenever a to b. No, like not a plus b, you are getting difference, you are getting a difference of that, right? 2a minus 0 by 2 it comes, because 2a minus 0 by 2. That also you can try that, not a plus b, that is wrong. Not a plus, you will get a to b means you will get this one, like the meaning is 2a minus 0 by 2, you got it here. You can see that. You can think about this. So what I am saying here, similarly you can think about, for example, the given problem is a to b. Suppose they are given f of x by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx. Suppose the given problem is like this. Then you think, again you can consider this is I is equal to, this is 1. Use the same concept, a to b, use the concept of same thing. Replace x with a plus b minus x. This will become f of a plus b minus x. You are replacing x with a plus b minus x, it will become f of x. This is 2. Adding 1 into 2, both are I. Correct, this is also I. If you add 1 into 2, 1 plus 2, then you will get 2i is equal to the integral a to b. This will come f of x plus f of a plus b minus x by f of a plus b minus x plus f of x dx. It comes like this, it will be dx. Correct. It will be dx. So same thing you can think now, what it comes now, you will get 2y is equal to integral a to b this by this will come 1 dx, this will come x, will come a to b, this will be b minus a. So I is equal to b minus a by 2. Like that you can remember. Standard problems, b minus a by 2. Answer will come b minus a by 2. Correct. Next one. Integral 0 to pi. See the next problem. I hope you understood this. Using the same concept. If you have doubt, should I explain again means you can discuss with me. Should I explain this? So should I explain means I can discuss with you. I can explain. Yeah. Now I can discuss that. It's clear, I think, right? Is it clear? Right now. I am seeing that another one now. Suppose they given 0 to pi. X by 1 plus sin x dx. 0 to pi x 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x dx. Look at it, 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x dx. When they are talking this problem, x by 1 plus sin x dx. Check that. You can use the same concept here. Use the same concept. This is I is equal to. You can tell your answer now. X by, because using the same concept. Same. What the same concept means? Let I is equal to. You replace 0 to pi. Replace x with pi minus x. 0. Why? Because we know that 0 to a f of x dx is always equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is dx. So use this one, pi minus x by 1 plus sine of pi minus x dx. I can use this, right? Now when I am taking this one, so this will become integral 0 to pi. So pi minus x by sine 180 minus x will be sine x. I can split this 0 to pi, this pi into 1 by 1 plus sine x. I can write minus 0 to pi x by 1 plus sine x dx. Sir, even I can add 1 and 2 also. Even I can do like this. Correct. Here the repetition is there. You get 0 to pi x by 1 plus sine x. Correct. This one you understood this one, right? Correct. You see about this one, I have written like this. Then this is the repetition. This is the same I only. I can pi into 0 1 by 1 plus sine x minus 0 by x by 1 plus sine x dx. Now you can see I can write I is equal to this pi into 0 to pi. This one how to do simple way. I can do rationalization, right? When I have taken 1 plus sine x, you rationalize this. I can simply 0 to pi. You do it 1 minus sine x by. You rationalize this, it will become 1 minus sine square x. Multiply numerator and denominator 1 plus sine x. 1 minus sine x. 1 minus sine x by, it will be 1 minus sine square x. Sine x. 1 minus sine square x dx minus sine. Now you transfer this side. 2y is equal to, I can write transfer this side. 2y is equal to pi into 0 to pi 1 minus sin x by, this will be cos square x dx. Now I can simplify this. Right. 2y is equal to pi into 0 to pi 1 by cos square x secant square x sin by cos square x. I can write secant x into tan x. Correct? I can express like this, 1 by cos square secant square sin by cos square sin by cos tan 1 by cos secant x. Then integral secant square, then you know here how to simplify. You will get pi into integral secant square x is tan x. Secant x, it will be secant x, limit 0 to pi. So pi into, apply tan pi minus secant pi minus tan 0 minus secant 0. Again this is tan 0. You can consider this is tan 0. I can write tan 0 minus secant 0. I can express like this. Correct? Is clear? Now I can write this is pi into tan 180 0 secant 180 minus 1, I get secant for minus 1, correct, minus tan 0, 0, minus minus plus secant 0 is 1. So you can get here minus 1 plus 1, this will be 2 pi. You got 2y is equal to 2 pi, then I is equal to, your answer is pi. Your answer is pi. I is equal to pi. That will be your answer. I is equal to pi. So once you practice, it won't take much time. You quickly can solve the problem. Easily can solve this problem. Right. After applying the property, I have done that. Correct. It's clear that. After applying the property, again I have simplified. Whenever 1 by 1 plus sin x, you can rationalize it with 1 minus sin x. Then I have simplified. Then I can do the next one now. After completing this, the next one. So the next problem is integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. They given sine power. See this. Integral minus pi by 2 pi by 2. That will be, you get here sine power 9x dx. Check that. Sine power 9x dx. When it is like this, sine power 9x dx. Whenever they are given like this, sine power 9x, you check that f of x is equal to sine power 9x. Clearly it is an odd function. You take f of minus x, I can write sine of minus x whole power 9. It will be minus sine of 9 power x, because sine of minus x minus sine x. Correct. This will be minus sine x, 9x, it will be f of minus f of x. The function is odd. Since the function is odd, this function is odd function, the result will be 0. Correct. This is odd function, the answer is 0. That's all. Correct. So that will be odd function, answer will be 0. Correct. Next one. Integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx. Integral 0 to pi. Integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx. 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx. So in the morning, list of all you can verify. I told 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx. Directly we can write this one. We can write answer here. Log of 1 plus cos x dx. Right. Because I told you this one answer here. I remembered or not. Directly I told log of 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx. So just you can go through the list of formulae what are given in that integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx. Otherwise, we can solve the problem also. We will get the answer. Okay, we can try to simplify this. Integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx. And not given means you apply the property here. Just apply like this only. Replace x with pi minus x. Same thing, 0 to a, we have the property right. Integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Use the same property this. 0 to f of x dx equal to 0 to f of a minus x dx. This is a minus x dx. Right, if you use this related, the given problem is I. You can consider this is I. If we take I is equal to 0 to pi, I can write log of 1 plus cos of pi minus x dx. But we know that 0 to pi log of cos 180 minus x in second quadrant, it will be minus cos x log of 1 minus cos x dx. Correct. I can write I plus psi. I can add I plus psi. 2 I can log of 1 minus cos x. This also I. Add I plus psi now. If I add I plus psi, 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx plus 0 to pi log of 1 minus cos x dx. 1 minus cos x dx. Because I can apply log m plus log n. Correct. You will get this one. Just log of 1 plus cos x 0 to pi log of 1 minus cos x I have taken. So this will be 2y is equal, I can write this value 2y is equal to 0 to pi log m plus log n log mn. So log of 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x dx I can write. This will be 2y is equal to 0 to pi log of 1 plus 1 minus cos square x. It will be 1 minus cos square x 1 minus cos square x dx. But we know 1 minus cos sine square x 0 to pi, this will be log sine square x dx. 0 to pi log sine square x dx. Right. 0 to pi log sine square x dx. Even in the previous class, I told you integral 0 to pi by 2 log sine square x dx value I have mentioned. Correct. I told you that value I have remembered or not. Integral 0 to pi log sine square log sine x. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log sine x dx I told you. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log sine x dx I told you that value. Even you can see this one. I got 0 to pi log sine square x dx. 0 to pi log sine square I got 2y is equal to this 2 I can write here 0 to pi, correct, 0 to pi into log sine square x I can write 2 log sine x, the property of logarithm, sine x whole square 2 log sine x I can write. Now 2 I can eliminate this one. I can write I is equal to, apply again, this is function f of x is equal to log sine x. Because I told morning formula, previous class 0 to pi by 2 log sine x dx. Integral 0 log sine x dx is minus pi by 2 log 2. Minus pi by 2 log 2. I told that one. So what I will do? Replace x with pi minus x. There is no change. Log of sine of pi minus x, sine x only. It comes f of x. Then the function I can write 2 into 0 to pi by 2. Half of this I can write log sine x dx, one of the property. This is one of the property. Replace x with pi minus x. If it gives the same function 2 into 0 to pi by 2 log sine x dx, I have taken I is equal to this. But just I mentioned, you remember 2 into 0 to pi by 2 log sine x dx. Always this answer I told you. This answer you can remember. This answer is minus pi by 2 log 2. Minus pi by 2 log 2. You can remember this is minus pi by 2 log 2. 2 to cancel here. Your answer is I is equal to minus pi log 2. Minus pi log 2. That's the required answer here. Minus pi log 2. Integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx minus pi log 2. Minus pi log 2. Integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx is minus pi log 2. That is the required answer. You should be careful applying the formula. This one in the previous class I told 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx always equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. Then I equal to minus pi log 2. Right. Because you should remember the previous class notes also. Then easy to understand this. Now I can do the next one. So the next problem, the next one was the most important model. I will explain the next one. So when I am taking the next problem, see this one, they are given here. So when they are given here, integral minus 1 to 1, you observe here, integral minus 1 to 1, ax cube plus bx, ax cube plus bx dx equal to 0 is given. 0 for, see the first option, they are given this one 0 for all values of a and b. They are saying here for all values of a and b. For all values of a and b. They are asking for all values of a and b. This is the first option. And the second option they told here a greater than 0 and b greater than 0 only. And third option a greater than 0 and b less than a greater than 0. A greater than 0 and b less than 0. A greater than 0 and b less than 0 only. And the fourth option, both negative. A less than 0 and b less than 0 only. Think which option is right. Which option is right? Simple, very simple problem. Because the answer is 0. When can you say the result will be 0? What about this function? Correct? You think this should be odd function, right? When you are talking about this function, that will be odd function, right? Correct. That will be odd. Always remember, because this is odd function. So this is odd function. Then because this answer is 0, odd function. So there is no restriction a and b. So your answer will be for all values of a and b. That is your answer. It doesn't depend upon a and b. Since the function is odd, so for all values of a and b is true. For all values of a and b is true. Right. The next one. See, the next one I can write integral 0 to n step of x dx. Integral 0 to n step of x dx. Integral 0 to n integral 0 to n step x dx. This is step function or greatest integer function. Remember, this function is step function. STP, step function, or I can say greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. Greatest integer for some function or greatest integer function. So that is the important concept here. Step function or greatest integer function. But 0 to n step of x dx. Options are given here. I will tell you the options also. 0 to n step x dx. What are the options they are given here? See the options they are given. First option they are given n. Second option they are given n into n plus 1 by 2. And third option they are given n into n minus 1 by 2. And the fourth option is given 0. Fourth option is given 0. Right. Now you can see this problem. These are the options n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n minus 1 by 2. Fourth option is 0 is given. Now check that. In that, what can you write the answer here? You think the function is given step function. They are given step function. When the given function is step function, only step function is given. How to do this? When the given step function, you think simple problem, only concept is simple, model is important. 0 to n. N is any number, right? Can you try like that? Yeah, you can try. You take 0 to 1. If it is 0, this will be 0. When 0 to 1, n is equal to 1, 0 means what's your answer here? Can you think about the answer like this? So for example, I am telling, I will explain the problem. Suppose you take n is equal to 1, 0 to 1, step x. Between 0 to 1, this will become 0 to 1, this will be 0. 0 dx, it will be 0 only, right? Answer will get 0. 0 to 1, step x will be 0, everything will be 0. When n is equal to 1, you should get 0. You won't get this, you won't get this, your answer will be this. But here you should be careful. Answer 0 also here. 0. For n is equal to 1 only, this will be 0. Even 0 is here. Then to avoid that, you take n is equal to 2. But suppose you take n is equal to 2, then you can decide your answer. Put n is equal to 2. Just I am telling here. Because due to this, I can eliminate this option I can eliminate. If you put n is equal to 2, n is equal to 0 to 1, I can write step x dx. Just I am giving. Now I will tell you general methods how to do that. Step x dx plus 1 to 2 step x d, because integer part between 1 and 2. If we take like this, we know this part is 0 like previous step. 1 to 2 step x between 1 and 2, step x value will be between 1 and 2, step x value 1 point something, it will be 1 dx. Correct? Step x means greatest integer. Limits are between 1 and 2, 1 point something. So step value will be 1 only. So it comes x, it comes 1 to 2, 2 minus 1, it will be 1. When n is equal to, it will be 1. So that means I can eliminate this option. You put n is equal to 2 here, 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 to cancel. The answer is 1. So your final answer, I can eliminate this. So your answer is finally, this is your answer. N into n minus 1 by 2. N into n, third option is your answer. N into n minus 1 by 2. Considering n equal 1, n equal, I can do that. I can verify that. So this is the elimination procedure. But how to do the problem, I will explain now. 0 step x dx, how to do this problem? This I will tell you now. You can see now, when they are given like this, I can verify, I can decide answer. But even generally, if I do like this, suppose the problem is given 0 to n step x dx. So always you remember, when they are given like this, I can write 0 to 1 step x dx. I can write 1 to 2 step x dx. I can extend like this, right? 0 to 1, 1 to 2. I can expand like this. Again, I can write 2 to 3 step x dx, and so on, plus I can write n minus 1 to n step x dx. Understood? General method. How to do general method? Without considering some n values, you take 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2, because they told here, whatever the n number, 2 to 3, the n minus 1 to n. Now we know that clearly this value is 0, step x is 0. But between 1 and 2, this will be 1. Correct? You will get this value will be only 1, it comes, right? It comes 1 only here. It comes 1. I can write this is 1x. I can write x limits 1 to 2. This will be 2 point something. 2a will get 2x. 2x into, it comes 2 to 3. I can continue like this. This will come n minus 1 into, between you can see the number is n minus 1. You will get n minus 1 into x. Apply the limits n minus 1 to n. Correct. You can see always the things you will get when you are simplifying this. You will get that when you are simplifying this in the place of x, we simplify. This is 0, 2 minus upper 2 minus 1. This will come 2 into 3 minus 2. Difference of this, and so on. N minus 1 into, it comes this one, n minus of n minus 1. So this is 0, 1 plus, this is 2 plus, and so on. It comes, this is only n minus 1, it comes, n minus 1. They are asking sigma, sum of n natural, you know sum of n natural numbers. They are asking towards sigma n, this is sigma n minus 1. But we know sigma n means n into n plus 1 by 2, we know this. Replace, this is sigma n minus 1. So you can write n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus cancel, n into n minus 1 by 2. So that will be your answer. Instead of doing this way, I told you that one. Suppose CBS if they are giving, you can do like this. In the board exam, we can do like this. But this is, I told this problem, greatest integer function when I have taken, put n is equal to 1, eliminate 2 options, n is equal to 2, I can find answer, this third option. But this is for like JEE you can do that. But doing for CBSE also, like this you can solve this problem. Doing this, same answer becomes n into n minus 1 by 2. I hope you understood this, n into n minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? You understood this? Got this point here? Right. Now you can see that after that I can do the next problem now. Is it clear, right? Do the next one now. Considering the next problem, I can also write now. If a less than b less than 0, if a less than b less than 0, then a less than b, both are negative, a less b less than 0, integral a to b mod x by x dx is the problem, mod x by x dx. Options is given. First option a minus b, second option b minus a, third option a plus b, fourth option 0. This option is given mod x by x dx. So this is the given one. Now you can check this. How to do this one? Mod x by x dx, they are given. You can check this one, integral. They are given a less than b less than 0, then a to b mod x by x dx. Then you can decide here, right, the value of this, what becomes mod x by x dx. Both are negative, a less than b less than 0 is given. you can simplify this when mod x by x dx. So what is mod x by x? You can consider what is mod x by x. This is a thing you can write. This is a simple concept here. So they are asking this one to solve this integral a to b mod x by x dx. Between a and b are negative means I can think this one. You can see. You can also think when a and b are negative means between a negative mod x will get only minus x. It comes. It will minus dx. It will come minus x into the problem you can write. You can say that is also simple. I can write. Since a and b are negative, since we know a and b are negative, between lower limit upper both are negative means definitely mod x will become minus x, right? Since a less than b less than 0, mod x will become minus x. Then I can write this one a to b. I can write minus x by x dx. Correct, minus x by dx. Again, this is minus x by x. It comes a to b minus 1 dx. So this will be minus x apply the b to a. So minus of you will get a minus b upper limit. Sir, this is written wrong here. Limits is this is a to b. Right. You can see you can think about the limits. You can write here. This is given a to b. So you can write now when I have written this one minus of b minus a, it will become a minus b. Answer is a minus b. Sir, why sir you are doing that much? We know derivative of mod x is mod x plus. Why can't you do like that? Why can't you do like that? The people they will think. We know that another way. D by dx of mod x by x is equal to because d by dx of mod x is equal to mod x by x. So then you can directly this answer is mod x. Integral into mod x by x. Correct. Mod x I can write. Then you can substitute the limit. You can substitute the limit also. You can do that. You can use this concept also. Upper limit minus lower limit. You can write that. We can do that. But this answer will be a minus b, right? We got the answer is a minus b. This is the first option, right? Answer is a minus b. So this also you can do that, but you can feel this also easy. You can do that, right? So mod x by x. Correct. You are, I think understood this concept is important. Try to learn this. Next, another one. I can write. Suppose they are given one positive, one negative. See the next case. Suppose the next case, I am talking about the next case now. When they are talking, suppose if a less than 0, 0 less than b, a less than 0, 0 less than, you can think about this one. A less than 0, 0 less than b. Then what about this problem? Then integral a to b mod x by x dx, a to b mod x by x dx. So the options are here. The given options are here. You can see that b minus a and a minus b, and third option is 0. Fourth option is a plus b. These are the options a plus b. Check this one. How to do this one also using the same concept here. So because they are given, they are splitting this one, right? You can split a bit because b positive, a negative. B positive, a negative. So I can split a to 0, 0 to b, right? You split that because a to 0, 0 to b. I think using this previous concept you can solve easily this. So what I can solve this? I can write a to 0 mod x by x dx plus 0 to b mod x by x dx. Correct. 0 to b mod x by x dx. I can do like this. Then when I have taken like this, you know here 0 to 8, this is a to a is negative number. The mod x will be minus x, right? Here mod x will be minus x. So I can write a to 0 will get minus x by x dx. 0 to b, this is positive number, between positive numbers more than 0, mod x will be x. I got a definition of mod x. So then I can write this is a to 0 minus 1 dx, 0 to, this is a 0 to b, this is 1 dx. So this will become minus x, limits will be a to 0, this will be x, limits will be 0 to b. So here upper limit minus of upper limit minus lower limit. This is b minus 0. So you get answer is a plus b. Your answer is a plus b, the fourth option, right. You get a plus b. Is the right answer is a plus b. Using the same previous concept only. Because not that much difficult to solve that, right? That will be a plus b. Right. See the next one. The given. See the next problem, we can do that. If in is equal to, this was important model only. See this one, if in is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx, then 1 by I3 plus I5 they are asking. I3 plus I5 they are asking. What is 1 by I3 plus I5? I3 plus I5 equal to they are asking. What is I3 plus I5? I can tell you the options also. This is I3 plus I5. The options is given 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 8. 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, and they are given 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So these are the answers they are given here. So in the previous class I discussed about one formula, you remember? This one. Always when in equals 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx, whenever they are given this result, I told formula, just previous class you can refer, plus previous video you can refer. In plus in minus 2 always equal to 1 by n plus 1. This result I given. Just to remember. Now you apply in this result, you apply this. If apply n is equal to, here they are asking I3 and I5. Check that if you take I5, n is equal to I5, t plus n is equal to 5. This will be I5 plus, correct. Because I want maximum, I5 plus I3. You can write and I5 plus I5 minus 2 I3 is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1. It will be 1 by 6. So reciprocal of this, it will get, you can see that I am getting this is 1 by n plus 1. In minus 2 is 1 by n plus 1, right. You get 1 by n plus 1. 1 by 5 plus 1, 6. 5 minus 2, 3. I5 plus I3 equal to 1 by 5 plus 1. It will be 1 by 6. So answer should be 1 by 6. It is not there 1 by 6. Check that. Is it right? I have taken this one. I5 plus I3. 1 by I5 plus I3, right? Yeah. 0 to tan power nx dx. You are not getting that answer. Oh, because they are given, their option is not here. Check that. Tan power nx dx. Combination of that, right. We given. The formula is given. Is it 1 by n? I think not 1 by n plus 1. This is a, you remember, I think I given 1 by n minus 1 here. This, sorry, 1 by n minus 1. So remember 1 by n minus 1. This is 1 by 4. That is 1 by n minus. Verify the answer. That is 1 by n minus 1. 1 by n minus 1, right? That is 1 by n minus 1. Yeah, you can verify. The previous class I discussed about that. That will be 1 by n minus 1. By mistake I have written n plus 1, not n plus 1. That is 1 by n minus 1. In plus in minus 2. 0 to pi by 4 given. In plus in minus 2. Correct. In plus in minus 2. That will be 1 by n minus 1. 1 by n minus. So be careful. This is 1 by n minus 1. This is 1 by 4. Your answer is 1 by 4. It comes 1. This is 1 by 4 means, sir, be careful. This is 1 by 4 means reciprocal of that. If you take reciprocal, 1 by I5 plus I3 will be 4. See, by mistake it will 1 by 4. Again, reciprocal we want, answer is 4. Correct. Answer is 4, right? 4 is the required answer. Am I right? Answer is 4. Correct? We should careful, you see. By mistake I have done by n plus 1 means I got different answer. Then I got dot. I remember this is in plus in minus will be 1 by n minus 1. It will be 1 by 4. Take reciprocal 1 by this. It comes answer is 4. That is important problem. Right? I think is clear. I understood this. That will be the option. Now you can see that another one now. I am going to see the another one now. If I see that next another problem, look into the another problem now. You can write integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Secant square x by secant square x by secant x plus tan x whole power n. Secant x plus tan x whole power n dx n greater than 2. 0 to pi by 2. Secant x plus tan x whole, because they are given n greater than 2. What's our answers? First option, they are given 1 by n square minus 1. Second option, they are given 2 by n square minus 1. And third option, n by n square minus 1. And fourth option, they are given n by n square plus 1. N by n square plus 1. They are given 4 options, they are given. Secant square x by secant x plus tan x whole power n dx n greater than 2. So n greater than 2. This is also standard problem. I think I have discussed in the morning session, like previous session. See that integral secant square x by secant x plus tan x whole power n dx. That option you can see that. When they are given this one, we have the standard problem this one. Integral secant square x by. So you can remember this one. Integral secant square x by secant x plus tan x whole power n dx. This problem. Always the formula over here, this is n by n square minus 1. N by n square minus 1. You will get this is answer is here n by n square minus 1. That you can remember n by n square minus 1. This is standard one. You can remember this n by n square minus 1. We can solve that. Consider taking this one, you can solve that. But here directly you can do n by n square minus 1. Here I will tell you one hint also before this solve this problem. N greater than n, because I can do this, we can solve this problem also. N by n square minus 1. What is the hint you remember here? To solve this problem, you always remember. Integral 0 to, you remember, integral 0 to infinity. Integral 0 to infinity 1 by x plus root of x square plus 1. X plus root of x square plus 1 whole power n dx. They are given this is the problem. 1 by x plus root of x square plus 1 whole power n dx is always equal to this problem equal to 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. This will become secant square x by secant x plus tan x, secant x plus tan x whole power n dx, which is equal to n by n square minus 1. This is the hint. If I write this one, you can write this is 1 plus tan square theta. Replace x equal to, you can replace x value tan theta. If you replace x equal to tan theta, tan x already x here, x equal to tan 1 plus tan square theta. This is 1 plus tan square theta. Secant square, secant theta it comes. You have taken tan theta. So the derivative will come here. Both are same. 0 to infinity 1 by x plus root of x square plus 1 whole power n dx is also equal to 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx by secant x plus tan x whole power n, answer n into n square minus 1. So this concept, this is the hint. If it is like this, answer will be n by n square minus 1. We can use this n by n square minus 1 right here. I can tell you the one more concept also here. The standard result, one more result here related to mod x function. So with this I can conclude the today's session. You can see now what I am going to discuss now. integral a to b, to write answers quickly, integral a to b. Suppose they are given mod x by x dx. When they are given mod x by x dx is equal to, your answer will be always mod b minus mod a. Mod b minus mod a. Then you can write, you can remember, these are the concepts you remember here. Answer will be mod b minus mod a. So which is equal to the conditions mod b minus mod a. So here first answer b minus a if 0 less than a less than b. When both are positive, answer is b minus a. And b plus a, the answer is b plus a if a less than 0 less than b. And a minus b, and a minus b if I can write a less than b less than 0. You remember two cases we have done. This case we have done. One case you got to verify the previous problems. I have done two cases. I have not done this case. So this is the answers you will get. You can remember the standard problem. A to b mod x by x dx equal to mod b minus mod a. This value always equal to mod b is equal to b minus a, 0 less than a less than b. B plus a when a negative, b positive. A minus b when a and b both negative. Like this. That last two cases I have explained. Look at the first one you can try. But the first one you can try this. So still I should discuss many problems in definite integral. I can do that. Many problems I can do that. Before ending session I can also tell you one more formula. Suppose if a greater than 0. Just 2 formula I will stop that. If a greater than 0, remember, if a greater than 0, then integral 0 to infinity, I can write integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax, this is e power minus ax, 0 to infinity e power minus ax cos bx dx. Cos bx dx is equal to, your answer is a by a square plus b square. A by a square plus b square, remember this. A by a square plus b square. If a greater than 0. Even the second one. If a greater than 0, then integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax sin bx dx. E power minus sin bx dx is equal to, this will be b by a square plus b square. B by a square plus b square. Standard problems, you remember this one. B by a square plus b square. By positive only. E power minus ax cos bx dx is a by a square plus b square. It equals 0 to infinity e power minus x sin bx dx equal to b by a square plus b square. So try to remember that tomorrow's session, next session, I can continue the problems. It takes another 2-3 sessions to complete definite integrals. Okay, then thank you. See you in the next class. Yes, if you like the session, we understood, we are happy with the session. All right. If you are happy with the session, make it likes. Can give the like.